In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import or enter your W-2 on TurboTax. Tax season can be a daunting time for many, but with the right tools, it can be straightforward and stress-free. TurboTax is designed to simplify the process of filing your taxes, and one key task is entering your W-2 form. Your W-2 is crucial as it details your income and the taxes withheld by your employer throughout the year. So let's walk through this process together step by step. First, you need to head to the TurboTax official site. Open your preferred web browser and visit TurboTax's website. Here you'll find the resources you need to file your taxes online easily. Once you're on their homepage, look towards the top right corner and click on the sign in option. This will direct you to the login page where you can enter your TurboTax credentials. Enter your username and password and sign into your account. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to register first to use their tax filing services. After you've signed in, navigate to the TurboTax homepage. The layout is user-friendly and designed to guide you intuitively through the tax filing process. Next, you should locate and click on the option that says 2024 taxes. This will bring up the interface for the current tax year so you can begin managing your tax documents for this season. Following this, click on the Federal section on the left-hand menu. This area houses all your federal tax filing components, including income, deductions, and credits. Within this section, you'll find another option labeled Wages and Income. Go ahead and select it. This is where you will enter all your income details, including information from your W-2. Now, look for the Job W-2 choice and click on it. This will open a new section dedicated specifically to your W-2 forms. In many cases, TurboTax might allow you to import your W-2 directly from your employer by simply following the prompts on the screen. However, if electronic import isn't available, no worries. You can manually enter the details from your physical W-2 form. After that, look for an option that says Add Edit. This is where you can add new W-2s or edit any existing forms you might have previously entered. Selecting this will bring up your W-2 summary, where you can review all the information you've entered, ensuring that everything is accurate. It's important to double check these details, as any errors might cause delays in your tax filing or refunds. And that's it! You now know how to import and enter your W-2 on TurboTax. By following these steps, you're one step closer to completing your tax filing with confidence and ease. Be sure to save your work as you go and take advantage of the help resources available within TurboTax if you have any questions along the way. Good luck with your filing, and thank you for watching.